you to control your work, choose your clients, and decide how to spend your time. This level of freedom and control is unparalleled and doesn't exist in many careers. If you've been considering freelancing, and are wondering, what are some great things about freelancing? Here are some of our favorite parts about the freelance lifestyle to help convince you. You're the boss, no more micromanagers, overtime work because your boss didn't manage their schedule effectively, or weird requests. You won't get in trouble for running a quick errand or going to the doctor's in the middle of the day. You get to make all the decisions and control your work life. This control is both powerful and freeing. Set your working hours. Gone are the days of the typical 9 to 5. Create your schedule in a way that best supports the lifestyle you want to lead. If you perform best in the morning, you can organize your schedule so you're off by 2 p.m. every day. Not many jobs allow for this kind of flexibility. Working from home, say goodbye to those long hours sitting in traffic waiting to get to work. Instead, imagine waking up, making a cup of coffee, and sitting down at your desk without ever hearing a beeping horn or slamming on your brakes. This life is completely possible as a freelancer. Your home becomes your office, so you never have to compete with morning traffic again. No dress code. Yep, no more stuffy suits or uncomfortable heels. Work in your most cozy outfit. If you want to work in your sweatpants, no one is stopping you. There are no office politics to abide by, so dress however you like. If you want to get an arm sleeve of tattoos or dye your hair a crazy color, there's no company manual forbidding it. Freedom to work from anywhere. One of the best parts of freelancing is getting to work from anywhere with a reliable internet connection. You can work from a local coffee shop, sit outside, or go to another country. Since there's no physical office, anywhere in the world can be your office. If you love traveling, like I do, this is an amazing career that supports a nomadic lifestyle. Do the work you love. You get the chance to choose projects you truly love and want to work on. If you're approached with a project that doesn't sound fun or fulfilling, there's no obligation to sign on to it. No one dictates your work. Everything is your decision. And there are so many different freelance jobs to choose from, you can focus on those that fill your passion. Take control of your future. When you work for someone else, you're at the mercy of the company. If there are budget cuts, your job could be on the chopping block. With freelancing, this isn't the case. Even if you lose one client, it's possible to quickly score another one. You're in charge of your destiny and future, so you don't need to depend on some big corporation. You can earn more than a salary job. Yes, a full-time salaried job and benefits might sound appealing, but as a freelancer there's an even higher earning potential. With a salary job, your rate is set. With freelancing, you can continue onboarding new clients and earning money as long as you can keep up with the workload. More hours, or overtime, leads to more earnings. This isn't true with a salaried position. Your earning potential is uncapped when you work for yourself. Build up your confidence. Freelancing is a great way to build confidence. You have only yourself to rely on. You're in charge of everything, managing expectations, communicating with clients, delivering great results, invoicing, and so much more. With so much responsibility, you're sure to gain confidence in yourself and your abilities. You'll learn a lot. Freelancing is a unique job. Since you're the entire business, you're also the HR, marketing, and business department. Usually a company has dedicated people in charge of every department, but when you freelance, you become all the departments and are forced to learn how each one operates. When you get started freelancing, it can be a lot to take on all at once, but this knowledge becomes invaluable. A typical employer saves around $11,000 per year for every employee who works from home half the time. Additionally, employees save up to $4,000 per year working from home half the time. This number increases substantially when you factor in living in a less expensive area to work remotely full-time. Second, we live in a world of convenience, and more people are staying home these days. All it takes is an internet connection, and you can order food, stream Netflix, order products with Amazon's 2-hour delivery, and enjoy modern conveniences most couldn't dream of a few decades ago. Sometimes you just want something relatively easy where you can make some extra cash fast. If that's your goal, the following online jobs may be of interest. Some opportunities can be started on the same day that you apply for them. They also require very little commitment and can typically be done on your schedule. Note that these jobs don't pay much, and they are not going to provide a reference for your resume. You may, therefore, need to have more than one online job to make your desired income. Also, as you sort through other opportunities, Know how to recognize and avoid work-at-home scams. A micro-job is usually a small online task for which you receive an equally small fee, usually a few cents or dollars. They are sometimes called short tasks. These jobs are done by logging on to a company's website and selecting tasks, sometimes simply by clicking a link. Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Y-Sense offer these types of tasks. Jobs may also be found in online service marketplaces. Here workers offer small services, usually for a set fee, and buyers browse the marketplace to find people offering the services they need. Job opportunities include crowdsourcing projects, which are similar to data entry, where companies engage an army of virtual workers to perform a small part of a larger project. Workers can also take advantage of reward programs and surveys, which are perhaps the original work-at-home micro-jobs.